Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by Mineral Explorer Venture Minerals, ASX code VMS. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Venture Minerals, Andrew Radonjic. Hi Andrew.
How are you, Matt?
Okay, so Venture Minerals is targeting tin, tungsten and other critical minerals in Tasmania and in WA. It is also in a joint venture with market darling Chalice Mining in search of nickel, copper and platinum group elements in WA's southwest. More recently, however, Venture pivoted into rare earths, picking up multiple projects around the Mount Magnet area in WA, the latest of which, the Radonjic project that Venture is farming into, boasts two fabulous-looking rare earth drill holes put down, I think, by a prospector back in 2020. Okay, Andrew, where exactly is this Radonjic project? Who owns it now, and what's the deal that you've done to farm into it?
Yes, thanks, Matt. Radonjic is located about 40 kilometres east of our Golden Grove North project, and currently owned by a private company that's unlisted, which is looking to go to an IPO. We've got a first part of the deal where we can spend $250K to get up to 51%, and then we've got opportunities to go further to 70% and then even 90%.
So this project boasts some exceptional looking historic, I guess sort of historic, they're a few years old rare earth drill holes. Hit me with the best one.
Well, the best one is 49 metres at just over 1,300 parts per million total rare earths. That's from 12 metres down to the end of hole, so ending in mineralisation, including 20 metres at 1,700 ppm and another sweeter zone of 8 metres at just over 2,000 ppm.
Now, I think all this project has right now is just two historic holes. Tell me the numbers from the second one.
Well, the second one is a couple hundred metres away, and that's, again, similar, 49 metres, ending in mineralisation at just under 1,000 ppm total rare earths. Again, a sweeter 20-metre zone halfway through intersection, about 1,100 ppm, and a nice 4 metres at 1,400 ppm total rare earths.
So who put those two holes down, and why were they never followed up?
Yeah, it was just a private prospector. He got some EIS funding from the government and drilled two 61-metre holes. Clearly, rare earths weren't as topical as they are today.
Now, you've got two other projects up there, Vulcan and Brothers. Now, I think Vulcan is the one you got some pretty crazy high grades recently at, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. Last year we did some rock chipping around one of our VMS targets, and we got, believe it or not, 12.5% total rare earths oxides in a rock chip, and then we had several above 1%, including one at 6.6%, one at 1.8%, and one at 1.7% total rare earths. And
your Brothers project, just to the east of this new Radonjic project, what's to like about that?
Oh, look, we went through a soil geochem database that CRC LME had done in West Yilgarn, and we picked, was the third highest in that data set, entire West Yilgarn. So, great anomaly of 1,800 ppm, and that's only half of the rare earths assay too.
Andrew Radonjic from Venture Minerals, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.